What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue, and what I'll be making today is going to be what is called the ultimate breakfast sandwich by a little diner out here in Colorado called Crown Burger. We're going to be making this on my Blackstone Griddle. The one thing that distinguishes these breakfast sandwiches from a lot of other breakfast sandwiches is that rather than using croissants or bagels or English muffins, they use straight up hamburger buns with the sesame seeds on it. So that's going to be one of our ingredients. It also will come with either sausage or bacon. We're going to be rolling with some applewood bacon. We have eggs, hash browns, and these are frozen hash browns are also going to be a part of this sandwich. We have some American cheese and some squeeze butter that we're going to put on top of these buns. Anyway, this is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm really looking forward to this. The main thing I love about this sandwich is rather than having like a scrambled type egg or anything like that, these eggs are kind of an over medium, almost a little bit over hard, where just when you bite in it, just enough of that yolk comes out in the sandwich. Anyway, instead of me talking about it, let me stop drooling. Let's get out to the Blackstone, start hooking it up. So my first step in this process is just going to be to go ahead and start cooking up some of this bacon. And I'm just going to do 5 strips of bacon. And once it starts releasing some of that fat, we're going to go ahead and start cooking these hash browns in the fat. Now I have both of these burners on kind of like a medium low. I'm not really trying to get this bacon extra crispy or anything like that. I just wanted to just get a nice cook on it. Now we can move this over now that we have a little bit of that fat. Alright, as far as our hash browns, let's go ahead and get these on. We're going to let these cook until you have a nice little crust on the bottom. Alright, now one thing I'm doing is my griddle leans a little bit to the back, which is actually pretty good. What I'm doing is taking some of this bacon grease and we're just throwing them right on top of these hash browns. And these are pretty much done. I'm just going to stack them over here and turn this side down. And these aren't quite getting that crust on the bottom of them yet. Alright, let's just go ahead and flip these. They should be good to go now. Flatten them back out. And I'm going to go ahead and start browning these buns as well. Alright guys, let's get these eggs on. I'm going to go ahead and just hit it with a little bit of, this is avocado oil, but bacon grease or vegetable oil would be fine, canola oil. And we're going to want to cook these until we want them to have some yolk coming out, but we don't want them to be completely soft. Let's go ahead and flip these. Could have done a little bit of a better job flipping that one. Now we're just going to come over both of these eggs with some cheese. All right, so let's start building this sandwich. There you go, that is a done deal. Sorry guys, but there is no way for any picture to do this sandwich justice. Mason wanted his a little bit more runny than mine. Trust me, this sandwich tastes a lot better than the pictures. Let's go in.
Oh yeah, get some of that good yolky goodness on that bun. Mmm.
Normally they would have some paper wrapped around this.
Now this is a breakfast sandwich.
Man, I'm telling you, this is some kind of good right here.
Mm-hmm.
A little messy. I might want to wrap it in foil or something, but I'm just going straight gangster on it.
Mmm.
Delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to killing this sandwich. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.
Damn, that came out real good.